Okay, so this is the driver's side door, and it was rotten at the bottom. And I know I can buy another door, and I know I can buy a patch. But like I said, this is more about having fun. So I just cut this at an eyeball length. It doesn't matter. I mean height. So here's what the inside of the door looks like. I was wondering how to get this power motor out. There's a bolt here. And there must be another one down. There's another one like right there, below. So I'm gonna have to cut this frame, the door frame. I'm just gonna cut it around the rot, kind of cut it like that. That's not bad. Probably cut it. Haven't decided yet, here or here. Over here it's not as bad, so I could leave that. But what I'm going to do is I got this guy on Craigslist had this car. So I could, this is the one that I could have put this one on. I could have just bolted it on. There's a dent there. And it looks like somebody pried out the key. Well, I could have patched that. But this is all about the challenge. And this is the original door. I'm trying to save the original sheet metal. But really, I just want to see if I can do this. If I can't, I can always get another door. And now I can, like I said, I wasn't sure how this motor came out, but now I can see how it comes out and I can test it. And here's a bolt that looks like somebody put in for some reason. I don't know if that's a stock number. I'll look at it closer when I'm done. Anyway, maybe I'll edit this. Like I said, I don't want to edit. Oh yeah, one of the reasons I'm doing this is I wanted to remember what I have for a measurement. So that was an 8-inch line from the bottom of the, hang on. That was 8 inches from the bottom of this before I ground it off. I gotta have some kind of reference when I weld this on. So now that it's off, I mean it's almost off. See that little scratch right there? Let's see, where are you? That little scratch. It's going to be 7 7/8 from the metal to that mark on both sides. Let's see the side. This is how I'm going to line this up. There's a little bit of metal left. 7 7/8. So what the heck? What do I got to lose? That motor probably is no good, but it doesn't matter. Now I can switch motors. The other problem I have, well, one of the problems I have is like every one of these doors, well, not every one, but that doorway over there has the glass open. This one, the glass is open. It makes moving the door real awkward and heavy. So I'm gonna look to see how this glass is held in. Maybe I got a light. Hang on. stupid light. The battery terminal keeps getting corroded. I don't know why. So here's what the inside of a door frame looks like. I can see the door latch is unhooked. You see it in there. That rod laying there. Yeah, here's another screw that looks like somebody put in. Or maybe they didn't, I don't know. Anyway, that's it. 7 7/8. That's what I got to remember. And maybe I'll make a pattern to make sure I weld it in the right angle, because I don't have this. Well, I guess I'm going to be able to line this up. Yeah. But maybe I'll make a pattern anyway. Okay, that's it.